In front of me is Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on password and security. Then hit face unlock. Enter your current login method and tap on enroll face at the top. Now you need to wait 5 seconds to hit start. Finally, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, select Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!